How to update Roblox on phone. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Hello Apps. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can update your Roblox on phone. Now if you just head into your Play Store or App Store depending on your device, if you are on your iPhone or iOS device, you want to simply head into your App Store. If you are on Android device, you want to head into the Play Store, and then what you can do is from the search bar you can search in for Roblox, and here if the update is available, if your app isn't updated, you can simply update it by tapping on the update option that you'll get along with the play option instead of this play option. Now however, most of the times the update is available and then you still don't get the update on your Play Store or App Store. In that case, you might want to reset the application. Simply scroll down the notification bar, and what you want to do is tap on the gear icon or the settings icon at the top right corner of your screen, and once here you want to scroll down until you find the option apps. Tap on apps, and from here on the search bar at the search you want to simply search in for Roblox, and once you search in for Roblox, what you want to do is you want to tap on it, open it up, and then head into storage option, and here you want to simply tap on clear data and delete. Once you do so, this will reset the application basically, and once you do so, if you head back to Play Store, you'll be able to get the update if it's available. So this way you can update your Roblox on phone. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.